Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're having a great day. So my plan for this video is to take a look at Creative Fabrica. They're a really nice service for print-on-demand sellers to utilize to increase our sales, specifically for me at least, on the design front. You guys know that I'm not a great graphic designer. I'm a self-proclaimed intermediate graphic designer at best, but what I do is I leverage the great work of other people who are better than me, and that helps me put together great designs that sell. Actually, I shouldn't say great designs, or if they are great, it's not because I'm a great designer, it's because I'm utilizing the services of people that are truly great designers. So in this video, we're gonna explore Creative Fabrica. If you guys have never seen what they've got to offer, we're just gonna take a brief look in this video, and then you can consider if you would like to take them up on their offer to join for just $1. So let's get started. Real quick, take advantage of the free weekly print-on-demand giveaway. The link is in the description. 2 winners are going to be randomly selected and announced this upcoming Sunday, and they're going to receive a license to Merch Titans Automation, Merch Ninja Research Tools, All Sunsets, Premium Premade Graphics, and Bubble Scout, the only Redbubble niche research and validation tool. You'll find a link down there in the description again. All right, so let's go exploring through Creative Fabrica. So at first I said, you know what? I'm going to use the search bar, and I just want to type in Halloween. We know Halloween is approaching, and let me see how they can assist me in creating some really nice Halloween designs. So I went ahead, I typed in Halloween font actually, because I love the font selection that Creative Fabrica has. They've literally, you know how sometimes you're like, I need the perfect font, but I just can't find it? Well, Creative Fabrica is going to have like 5 perfect fonts for whatever you have in your mind that you can't find. They're going to have like 5 of what you need. It's absurd how big their font library is. So I went ahead, I typed in Halloween font, and then on the results page, I actually can sort by type. So you can see that there's over 3,000 graphics tagged with Halloween, just under 3,000 fonts tagged with Halloween, which is absurd. I don't think that actually means there's 3,000 Halloween fonts, but you'll see in a second. 14 bundles, some embroidery. So I'll show you. When I selected graphics, they've got a pretty wide variety of Halloween-themed graphics. They've got a wide variety of Halloween fonts, and actually just stop and take a look at some of them really quickly. They do look pretty nice. That first one, Scary Halloween, it's actually got like little Halloween characters built into the letters. So that's really nice. They've got font bundles, so you can join Creative Fabrica and start a subscription, or you can go and like outright purchase a bundle. There's actually some options there. The subscription is probably the easiest way to go. Now, I'm not trying to sell you on a subscription. Let's just go through in this video what's available, and then towards the end, you can decide for yourself. But they've got a Halloween font bundle there. They've got background templates for Halloween. So again, just a wide variety of things going on here at our disposal. They've got SVG bundles. So in this case, I actually went ahead and downloaded this just to show you how easily you can create Halloween designs without designing anything in this case. So I extracted the folder that they gave us for 20 Halloween design bundles. I believe it was 20. Yeah, 20 designs. And they're actually already optimized for Merch by Amazon. They come at the 4500 by 5400 pixel dimensions. So I went straight to Merch by Amazon and just uploaded them to show you how quickly and easily it can be done. You can also, of course, make edits to it. They do give you the raw files. I thought I included a screenshot. I guess I didn't. But they give you like SVG, AI, JPEG, PNG, etc. So you're probably wondering, like, how does the licensing work if we do join Creative Fabrica? Well, under their commercial license, you're allowed to create unlimited physical end products, create unlimited digital end products, and there's asterisks because we need to get to the other side. Create your own items that you sell on print-on-demand websites. Use fonts to digitize quotes, words, names, or sayings, and sell those designs digitally as well as physically. Convert templates to other formats for your clients. Keep selling products after you cancel your subscription. For example, you are allowed to keep selling existing quotes, banners, shirts, etc. that you created while you had an active subscription. You are not allowed to resell, sublicense, share, or redistribute any digital files. You're not allowed to convert individual letters, numbers of fonts to different formats and sell those. You're not allowed to install or embed on third-party websites. You're not allowed to convert templates to other formats and sell those as new templates. And you're not allowed to create new designs when you stop your subscription. For example, once you cancel your subscription, you're not allowed to create new quotes, banners, shirts, etc. and sell those items. Okay? And I'll drop a link to where you can find the licenses in the description. All right, so let's take a deeper look at some of the fonts. I'm just going to share with you some of the ones that I thought were really cool while I was browsing the website. So when you go to their fonts page, you'll notice that there's over 73,000 different fonts that you can utilize, which is absolutely absurd. That's a lot of fonts. So some of the ones that caught my eye while I was just giving it a scroll through, I really like this one called Winter Vibes. Like, check out that big, bold, wintry font. There's just so many ways you can utilize that font with print-on-demand designs as we head into winter here in America. Now, one thing that's cool is behind me here, actually I'm blocking it, I'll hide myself really quickly. You can see the designer profile. Well, you can't see the profile, but you can see their name, and you can click View Profile, and you can actually click Follow Designer. So when you click Follow Designer, it'll show you the various designs that they've created, in this case, font designs. And what's cool is, well, number one, this guy's got a whole bunch of winter-themed, Christmas-themed fonts. And you can actually see, I cropped it out of the screenshot I took, but that's why I'm including it here. You can see that this guy, Danny, is an exclusive creative Fabrica designer. So I'm assuming that means that they're on the payroll. So here, again, another Christmas font that I found from the same author on their profile page. This one looks really cool, really nice. It's not as big, by the way, this one's not as big and bold as the first Christmas font, so I'd probably lean towards the first one. Here's another just big, bold, clean font called Morton that I thought had a lot of potential. I actually downloaded that on my machine. This one's called Avocado Cutie, and I know you guys have seen the avocado shirts that seem to just sell well as evergreens year-round, and this is a great way of entering that niche, having a font that already looks really nice and that goes well with the theme of avocados. Here's a just bubbly kid font called Rocklian. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Here's one that caught my eye called SMOKY font, which is a smoky looking font, if you ask me. Here's a high-tech font that I thought was really cool. I went ahead and I installed this on my computer just to see how the letters actually looked. And yeah, that's what they look like when you type them out. It's called X-Wayer font. And here's a couple Halloween fonts. This one's called Hollow House, and it's got that like cool drippy looking font effect. And here's one called Kobta, which just looks really cool. A lot of these Halloween fonts seem to have like the various Halloween elements kind of embedded in them, or they're not really embedded, I guess. They're like cut out. So I'm assuming the background will show through. But as you guys can see, lots of potential here with the fonts on Creative Fabrica. Now, just to show you some of the other stuff on their website, they have embroidery designs. Okay, so designs optimized for embroidery products. They've got, a lot, a huge library, by the way. I don't think I captured just how many. Oh yeah, it says almost 22,000 embroidery designs. Okay, but as you can see here on the main page, they've got a lot of the holiday themed ones because of course those are coming up. They have classes. So this is a big like craft community on Creative Fabrica. Classes for things like how to make an explosion box, how to access PUA encoded fonts. I don't even know what is PUA. How to create your own sublimation designs, how to begin machine embroidery, drawing gnomes in Procreate. There's just how to create a bouquet of paper. There's just so much stuff going on here in Creative Fabrica that's included. So they have a bunch of classes. Don't overlook that. As far as tools that they've got a massive craft blog. So that probably goes hand in hand with the classes that we just looked at. And I'm actually planning on doing a tutorial on their SHAPECLOUD tool, which to me is, I would just call it a word cloud tool, but because they call it SHAPECLOUD, I'm gonna go ahead and call it SHAPECLOUD today. But I'm gonna show you guys how you can create this style of design using the Creative Fabrica word cloud / SHAPECLOUD tool. Really cool. They've got this thing called Craft Club where if you can't find what you're looking for, you can submit a design request. Now, I've never actually utilized this, but my understanding is that before it goes straight to a designer's desk, there is like a voting mechanism in place. And as long as it gets enough support, it should find its way to a designer and become a graphic that you can utilize, or maybe a font that you can utilize. I don't know. Whatever it is you're looking for, I guess. Also, guys, even if you're not really that interested in adding another subscription service, go ahead and check out the freebies that they offer. I can drop a link to that in the description as well. Essentially, it's like you share something for them, they provide you with a freebie. So that's a pretty good deal, right? For those of you guys that are interested in checking it out, you can start for just $1 if you use the link at the top of the description. So, I hate feeling like I'm selling you something, but for $1, this is a pretty good deal. If you want to check it out, again, it's the first link in the description. And while you're down there, guys, I know most of you guys already have, but I've got a free 8-day print-on-demand mini course if you want to check that out. I've got a print-on-demand Facebook group. I would love to have you there. And of course, I have a full print on demand course walking you through how I make 6-figure sales every single year. So if you'd like to learn more, you can find out all that information down in the description, as well as links to pretty much everything that I showed you in this video. So there's going to be a lot of links down there today. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you have not already. Please check out Creative Fabrica, and I'll see you soon.